Pushing the boundaries of innovation to new skies, the American University in Cairo has launched the AUC Innovation Hub. The recent initiative aims to empower students by supporting startups and established companies. The Innovation Hub primarily hosts tech and sustainability startups like Blue EV and Tile Green. The Innovation Hub provides them with offices, workspaces, and access to exclusive resources.
As a startup, we always look to integrate between the startup ecosystem, the research ecosystem, and also the different industry key players. So it's always relieving to work from here because I think that the office space is very cozy and it's built in a way to allow for mutual collaboration between the different companies existing in the same building.
In exchange, these companies partner with AUC departments and faculties to support, innovate, and empower AUC students.
We bring industry on board, we bring them on campus. We ensure that students have access to the latest innovation trends within industry so that while they are learning in class, they also have an access to industry on campus. So by the time they graduate, they will be able to be more closer to the industry, more employable, and actually would offer them a competitive edge in terms of their career life.
Different companies at the Innovation Hub offer different forms of empowerment to the students, from competitions to workshops to many other forms. Real Performance Marketing offers an exclusive internship program to the AUC students.
As we are considering ourselves to be an innovative company, we are always encouraging interns to join our internship program. And this internship program is specified for AUC students to join our workplace and then get involved into practical tasks. And after that, there is a higher possibility to get them for a full-time position after the internship is done.
The Innovation Hub projects are already attracting many students, and the Innovation Hub team is keen on establishing more partnerships with companies, unlocking more empowerment to AUC students, and bridging the gap between education and real life. Arsani Sinout, AUCTV, Cairo.